Hey, welcome to Martin Made, and my name is Stephanie, and it has been a while since I've been on here, and I wanted to come on and I wanted to give you a little cleaning hack for the bathroom. I'm in my bathroom right now, as you can see, and I have one little cleaning hack. I've been cleaning today and I'm trying to get my bathroom a little bit more in order. It's a little bit of a mess. And so today I wanted to go ahead and I wanted to show you a little trick that I have kind of come up with a little bit. I had a little help from one friend for something, and then I have another idea that I came up with the other day when I was cleaning some things out. So I have, if you've seen these bottles, you probably know where they're from. These are those Dawn Power Wash foamer sprays. And I have for years been cleaning my shower / tub with toilet bowl cleaner. And the toilet bowl cleaner really gets that tub really nice and clean, just a really good clean. And so I have been doing that for a long while. The only thing is, you take the toilet bowl cleaner and you kind of slush it around, and then you kind of have to add a little bit of water so that it doesn't just have like those little streaks, that kind of come down all around the tub, like left there, and then you have to scrub and scrub and scrub it. So I was cleaning out my kitchen the other day. We have a brand new kitchen, and maybe I'll put that in another video, but I was cleaning that out and I had this Dawn Power Wash and it was empty. And I was going to throw the whole thing away except for the top, but then I got to looking, I have like 4 of these sitting around my home. I have 2 in the basement, and then I have 2 up here. I've got 1 in my cleaning closet just for extra, and then I've got a whole nother one in the kitchen. And so I was like, I don't need another one. I can just throw the whole thing away. So instead of doing that, I decided what I was going to do is I was going to take and water down some of the toilet bowl cleaner into here. So I cleaned this out really well, obviously taking labels off, and then added some water to it. And so now when I go to do the shower and the tub, all I have to do is spray it. And so this has been so helpful. I don't have to go through and like try to get a little bit of water onto that toilet bowl cleaner before it like leaves the tiny little white streaks for it dripping down. So I have found this to be very, very helpful. It cleans up my shower, my tub really well, and I hope it will help you do the same. I'll see you in the next video, and this is not sponsored by Dawn Power Wash. It is also not sponsored by this pretty pink tractor shirt, which is a Tim Hawkins shirt. I just happened to have gotten this just the other day, and so I love it. And so neither of these 2 things sponsor this video. I just happen to be using this and happen to be wearing this. You have a great day. May God bless you. Bye.